Welcome to Vital Link's Career Exploration Exhibits. We bring the future straight to your school with interactive, hands-on displays in today's highest demand fields. This isn't your average career day. This is CTE, Career Technical Education. It's where real-world skills meet core academics, preparing you for college, careers, and beyond.
I think I really just love being able to explore different pathways. There were so many options to explore. It was definitely helpful to have those career days so that I could definitely explore those pathways in high school.
During regular school period, students will grab a career passport and explore different booths. They will dive into interactive activities, talk to industry pros, and collect information on different careers. Then, they will map out their next steps by discovering the exact CTE pathways offered at their local high school.
With Vital Link to offer career exploration opportunities for our students really helps us to expand the capacity to reach more students and ensure that all of our students have access to high quality career education. Another benefit is supporting our teachers. Our teachers have a lot on their plates, and it's really nice to be able to offer the services that Vital Link does to help supplement and support their really good work. In terms of a community, in career technical education, like most things, it takes a village. And so to know that we have Vital Link to count on and to provide meaningful experiences is a really wonderful partnership.
Please contact us if you have any questions. Thank you.